Now, everyone, in a unit number two, last to second point, that is leverage. In a leverage, we have three types of leverages as we have discussed in the last classes. Okay, financial leverage, operating leverage, and combined leverage. We will go for the last two practical questions. Okay, about the leverages in which you need to calculate three leverage: operating leverage, financial leverage, and combined leverage. First of all, just remember the formula for financial leverage or operating leverage. Starting from the operating leverage, operating leverage is equal to C upon OP, contribution upon operating profit. Financial leverage means FL is equal to OP upon PBT, and lastly combined leverage, that is OP or L into FL, or else C upon PBP. Are we clear? So now look at to the question number 3. We have company called Kumar. Company has sales of rupees 25 lakhs. So we have sales. The company that is 25 lakh rupees. Okay. And variable cost is rupees 12 lakh 50,000. Variable cost is 12 lakh 50,000. And fixed cost is for rupees. How many rupees? 50,000. Fixed cost the company have 50,000 and debt of rupees 12 lakh 50,000 at a rate of 8% interest. Now calculate the combined leverage. Here only combined leverage is asked. What for the better understanding we will calculate all these three leverage. Okay, so first we need to calculate operating leverage, OL. Operating leverage. Now my voice is coming to you properly, Daniel? Yes, Prisha, thank you. So now first we calculate operating leverage. What is the formula for operating leverage? C upon OP, D upon OP. Contribution upon operating profit. Here contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost, and operating profit is equal to sales minus total cost. Are you getting my point? Here, let me do this calculation here in itself in PPT. Wait. OL is equal to C upon OP just 1 minute, guys. वन मिनट सी अब जो मैं कैलकुलेशन यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ आपको दिखाई दे या चेंजेस हो तो मुझे बताना. ओके, C upon OP is equal to contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost, sales minus V cost, and operating profit is equal to sales minus total cost. Are you with me? Here sales is how many rupees? 25 lakh minus variable cost 12 lakh 50,000 . 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 upon sales 25 lakh minus total cost. Total cost means fixed cost and variable cost. 13 lakh. Are we clear about this calculation? 25 lakh minus 12 lakh 50,000. 12 lakh 50,000 upon 25 lakh minus 13,000. Sorry, 13 lakh. 25 lakh minus 13 lakh. Answer is 12 lakh. Final answer will be 12 lakh 50,000 upon 12 lakh. कितना आंसर आएगा? 12 lakh 50,000 है ना बेटा? 12 lakh 50,000. 12 lakh 50,000 upon 12 lakh. Please give me the answer. Final answer. Everyone, do the calculation quickly. हेलो, कैलकुलेटर नहीं है किसी के पास? It's 1.04. It's 1.04. Are we clear about operating leverage? Now financial leverage is equal to, what is the formula for the financial leverage? OP divided by PBT. Yes, please. OP, already we have calculated operating profit. Okay, here OP is sales minus total cost, and that is 12 lakh. So 12 lakh upon profit before tax. Profit before tax means from this operating profit we need to deduct the interest, and here for the interest calculation, just give me 1 minute. See here, the cost of debt is 8% and amount of debt is 12 lakh 50,000. Calculate the 8% because on debt we need to pay the interest, and here interest means 8% of 12 lakh 50,000. Just calculate the 8%. 1 lakh. Okay. So here profit before tax is equal to 12 lakh minus 1 lakh. Ultimately, ultimately 12 lakh upon 11 lakh. Final answer will be 1.09, like this. 1.09. Okay, 1.09. And last calculation for us, that is combined leverage, and combined leverage is equal to OL into FL is equal to 1.04 into 1.09. Tell me the final answer. Sorry? Acha, okay, wait. Now it is visible. Okay, 1.04 and 1.09 दोनों का multiplication 1.1336 like this. 336. Okay. We will take only first two digit 1.13. Are we clear about this? Okay. For the verification that we have calculated this correctly or not, for the verification purpose, you can use the alternative formula for combined leverage. And alternative formula is contribution upon profit before tax. Here contribution, see the contribution. Contribution is 12,50,000 and profit before tax is 11,000. Just do the calculation, you will get the same answer. Contribution upon PBT. Are you getting the same answer? 1.13 you will get the answer. Whether you will use this formula OL into FL or whether you will use formula contribution upon profit before tax, you will get the same answer. दोनों से हमें वेरीफाई करना है. अगर सेम आंसर आ रहा है, it means we have done the right calculation. If the variation is there, it means something is missing. हाँ, दोनों तरीके से हमें किसी एक तरीके से हमें लिखना है, दूसरे तरीके से हमें वेरीफाई करना है. Okay, we need to use any one formula for combined leverage for our answers, and second one we will use for the verification that we have done the calculation correctly or not. Are we clear about this? Okay, now look at the question number 4, and it is your task to complete this question. Okay, I will explain all the things. Your sales is 1 lakh, variable cost is 60,000, fixed cost is 20,000, interest is 10,000. Calculate the operating leverage, financial leverage, and combined leverage. Please remember the data. Please remember the data. Directly we will go for the solution. Chalo. Are you ready? Now, first of all, we need to calculate operating leverage. Already have written the formulas. Okay. So here, operating leverage is equal to contribution upon operating profit. Contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost. Here, sales is how rupees? 1 lakh rupees minus variable cost. Everyone, sales is 1 lakh here and variable cost is 60,000 upon 1 lakh minus total cost, fixed plus variable, 60 plus 20, 80,000. So 1 minus 60, 40,000 upon 20,000. Your final answer will be 2. Your operating profit 20,000 and profit before tax, that is 10,000. इन ब्रैकेट में आपको समझ में आए इसीलिए यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ 20,000 minus 10,000. 10,000 is interest. Answer is 2. And here 2 into 2, 4. Or else second calculation. Okay. Contribution upon profit before tax, 40,000 upon 10,000. Your answer is again 4. So are we clear about this operating, financial, and combined leverage? Yes, Pratap. Sorry? TC, total cost. variable cost plus fixed cost. Variable cost plus fixed cost, 60,000 plus 20,000. So all my dear students, are we clear about this? Those are here in online mode. If I ask the same question in your mid 2 or in a final exam, in mid 1 we don't have a practical questions of leverage, so don't worry. But if I ask the same question in mid 2 or in a final examinations, are you able to do? Because it's having 8 marks, okay? This question is having 8 marks. Practical questions of cost of capital and time value in your mid 1. Okay, good. Now with this our leverage part is over. Okay. The last part of this unit, and that is weighted average cost of capital. Write down the next title. Write down the next title. Next title is weighted average cost of capital. Five to 7 minutes. Unit number 2 in financing decision, the last point, and this point is practical in nature. Okay, we have 2 simple questions from this weighted average cost of capital. Shortly, it is known as WACC. WACC, weighted average cost of capital in 2017. In 2017, in final examination, we have question like WACC stand for ... You need to write the full form. Are we clear? So weighted average cost of capital. Let's understand the concept of weighted average cost of capital, and in the next class we will go for the calculation of practical question. Suppose I have 5 different markers. How many? I have 5 different markers with me, and first marker I have purchased, that is for black color. That is for black color, and the cost of that marker is 20 rupees. First I have purchased black color marker for 20 rupees. Second, I have purchased a blue marker for rupees 30. Total I have 5. First I have purchased a black 20, second one blue 30. Next I have green for rupees 20. Okay. Fourth I have purple for rupees 30 again. And last one I have red marker, and that I have purchased with 20 rupees. Are you getting my point? Everyone, it is so easy and so easy to understand. I have 4 markers. With these 5 markers, I have a marker of black, blue, green, purple, and red. And the cost is respectively 20 rupees, 30 rupees, 20 rupees, 30 rupees, 20 rupees. I have 5 markers, and 5 markers cost is like this: 20, 30, 20, 30, 20. ये 5 markers मैंने इसी प्राइस पे परचेज की थी. Now I want that what will be the average price of each marker. Now I want average price of marker. How we can calculate the average price or average cost? Okay, 20 plus 30 plus 20 plus 30 plus 20. Just do the calculation. 120. I'm right? 120. And how many markers are there? 5 markers. So if I divide the total amount with the number of markers, I will get 1. Are you sure? Not possible. 24. Are you getting my point? So average cost of each marker is 24 rupees. Average cost of each marker is 24 rupees. We will do the same calculations in capitals also, okay? And cost of capital we have 20%, on cost of debt we have 10%, on cost of preference we have 30%, on a loan we have 8%, on debentures we have 12%. So what will be the average cost? That we are going to calculate here in this unit or in this point, weighted average cost of capital. Are we clear? Okay. Later on, in the next class, we will do the more discussion about the weighted average cost of capital. Okay. At 10:25, I have some important meetings regarding this festival. Okay, so I need to leave this class. So I request all of you to please write down your enrollment numbers. Okay, and you may go for a tea break.